Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you subscribe and join the familia, and if you are returning, thank you so much for stepping by. For today's vlog, shining. One thing about my lights, they are hot. Like the minute you sit under the lights, you just sweat. I don't know if it's just me or this is how it is. So yeah, but enough about that. I think I have a few things that I want to get done today, and that will include me cleaning my brushes. I've got a few things that I want to clean up, and that would include my brushes. And I'm also going out for a breakfast date, so I'm gonna be getting ready in this video. Most part of the video has no lighting, simply because there was at that time, but I still needed to go out, get ready, and go eat. So there was a clash day, but that's not a big deal. You stay tuned for this mini vlog. So I'm trying to get ready for a breakfast date, and I'm so exhausted, but I think I'll be fine. Maybe it's because I'm still hungry, but yeah. So we're gonna chill today at the, I don't know what I'm going to eat, but I need to go out and eat, otherwise I'm just gonna not have energy the whole day. So yeah, without wasting more time, let me finish off my makeup. My glue is actually drying out, it's still looking white and all. So let me doll up, finish doing my hair, and then I'll see you guys. Baby hairs are nice and laid, because I'm kind of like in a hurry now. So let's see, if they're not looking the way I like them, then I'll have to fix them afterwards, because I'm like in a hurry now. Not bad, but that's something that we'll have to fix when we come back. So, so today I'm wearing this NYX lingerie lippy. It's actually a nice lippy. I've been loving this one lately, and you'll see why. So pretty. This is like my only favorite setting spray. Like I don't know how I'll be convinced to use a different one, because this one, I mean, I love it. It's just, it makes me look so cute, and by that I mean the whole day. So you don't want period. Like, can you see the instant glow? I know it's still drying up or anything like that, but like, period. There are other good setting sprays out there, but I'm just like here for this one. I'm just here for this one. Yeah, my makeup is just setting nicely, so I'm not extra today or anything like that. So we'll fix anything that needs to be fixed after my breakfast. So let's get going. We're in this cute set. I actually love it, and it's a set, man. It's like these pants that are long, and I'm also wearing some flip-flops. So let's get going. That's it. Breakfast cake. Oh, weekends is 11. Also now it's also like past 11 or whatever. So I can't come in and sit. Is there another sitting area here besides? At that? So it looks like I'll be having breakfast experience. Ordered something else besides breakfast, as long as we're eating, okay? So that's what I'll be eating. I'm starving. bathroom, and I actually just want to show you guys how I clean up my brushes. Yeah, so I believe I do this differently, but I don't know. I think sometimes you can change your routine. Even if you're used to one routine, you can actually change it just to see how other people are actually doing their stuff. So yeah, watch me wash my brushes. So first I like to start with this product. I literally use this for everything, and it's a conditioner. So once I'm done cleaning my brushes, I like to go in with this brush cleanser from Woolies, and I'm basically just using it to disinfect my brushes. guys, I just hopped on here to close this vlog. So yeah, what happened was I went there for breakfast and it was already past 11 when I got there. So they were no longer serving breakfast, so I had to settle for something else. And at that stage they had burgers only. I think even their lunch was not that ready, but you don't want to wait for lunch at Spare, you know, you don't want to wait for ribs when you are already hungry. So that's what happened. And yeah, I ended up just eating anything else that was on the menu, and then I chose the burger and the soda. And yeah, that's just about it. And thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching till the end of the video, and I will see you in my next video. I think it's gonna be another one of those where I am plugging you guys, so do stay tuned. I am very excited about that video. And yeah, I think that should be all. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. I'll definitely be vlogging some more. I'm starting to enjoy it, although you get people staring at you, but you just have to be that I don't care who's looking kind of a person, otherwise you're not gonna get anything done. And otherwise guys, I will see you in my next video. Once again, I hope you didn't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.